How's it going, guys? So today I'm gonna show you my new bike. This is my Renegade 800 2010 Renegade 800 XXC Race Edition with the power steering, the KY R shocks, I think they are. KYB, sorry. KYB shocks. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the power steering, but it comes in handy sometimes. So what I've done to the bike, personally, I've just put the fender flares on. Got a K&N air filter, which is junk. Gonna go twin air here soon. Got a fuel commander programmer for the Mbrp slip-on, and I got it fully wrapped. Just some Amazon exhaust wrap. Keeps it keeps back pressure in the back, keeps it hot. The inside, not the outside. Slight power increase, not too much. This is a Gen 1, so I'll teach you guys something. The Gen 1s have the hollow frame, so I need to put a block in the frame. It's one of these problems on these bikes, but wow, it's a lot of fun. Gets me to my fishing spots quick. Look how beautiful blue that water is. Gorgeous day. River's flowing. Fishing gear's out. She's spring, baby. I waited a long time for this. A few years to get that. Oh, I got SS rims on it with, what are the tires? I forget what the tires are, but they're not very good tire. Lots of plugs in them since the sidewalls are so thin. But they look good. The bike looks phenomenal, I think. I think it's a nice looking bike. And it works better than it looks. Oh, it does got the throttle and grip warmer right there. Heat Demon, nice little unit. Fun bike. I'd recommend a Renegade to anybody who loves throttle, likes wheeling their bikes, jumping it, but also likes a mud bug. That's this pig right here. Best of both worlds, guys. The Outlanders are nice too, but from my friends' experiences, they seem to break a lot more axles and diffs and U-joints, but those are relatively stock size wheels, so shouldn't be putting too much stress on the axles other than me behind the throttle. But thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed looking at my new bike. Enjoyed it as much as I do riding it and making videos for you great people. Last but not least, do not screw up my Can-Am. Serious injury or death can occur, motherfuckers. Keep that in mind. And everybody have good day. Peace out. Be safe.